Let us begin by coming into Parvatasana. First, come on your knees and your palms. Knees are hip width apart, palms just under the shoulders. Now tuck your toes and lift your knees off the ground. Hips moving towards the ceiling. Press through your palms on the floor. Fingers are stretched. Heels moving towards the floor. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moving into a plank pose. From here, shift your body forward till the shoulders are directly above the wrists. Legs are stretched and you are on the balls of the feet. You are now in plank pose. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Move your body back into mountain. Heels moving towards the floor. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We shall do this 3 more times. Inhale, move into plank pose. Hold 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, move into plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. Inhale, plank pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, with an inhalation, stretch your right leg up towards the ceiling into a 3-legged dog position. Inhale, bring your right knee to the elbow. Exhale, stretch back. Inhale, knee to elbow. Exhale, stretch back. Inhale, knee to elbow. Exhale, stretch back. And then come back to mountain. Repeating on the left side. Inhale, stretch your left leg up towards the ceiling into 3-legged dog pose. Inhale, bring your left knee to elbow. Exhale, stretch back. Inhale, knee to elbow. Exhale, stretch back. Inhale, knee to elbow. Exhale, stretch back. And then come back to mountain. From here, we shall go for Parivritta Parshva Asana. Step your right foot forward in between your palms. Slowly rise up in a high lunge. Then twist towards your right side, placing your left elbow outside the right knee. Hands in Anjali Mudra. Look back. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, come back to center. Bring your palms to the floor. Step your right foot back into mountain. Repeating on left side. Step your left foot forward in between your palms. Slowly rise up in high lunge. Then twist towards your left side, placing your right elbow outside the left knee. Hands in Anjali Mudra. Look back. Holding for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, come back to center. Bring your palms to the floor. Step your left foot back into mountain. Now drop your knees on the floor. From here, we shall go for tiger stretch. Inhale, reach the right foot up towards the ceiling with the knee bent. Now keep your gaze fixed. Shift your body weight to the right hand and carefully catch hold of your right foot with the left hand. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, release your hand, bring your leg down. Now inhale, reach the left foot towards the ceiling with the knee bent. Keep your gaze fixed, shift your body weight to the left hand and carefully catch hold of your left foot with the right hand. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, release your hand, bring your leg down. From here we shall go for dolphin pose. Place your forearms on the floor. Interlock your fingers. Inhale, lift your knees off the ground. Now shift your upper body forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, back. Drop your knees on the floor. From here we shall go for forearm plank. You can release your hands. Forearms continuing to be on the floor. Palms on the floor. Now stretch your legs back. Knee is off the ground and come onto your toes. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Lie on the floor on your abdomen. Now place your palms on either side of the chest. With an inhalation, rise up in Bhujangasana. Stretch your arms completely while lifting up. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. From here, we shall go for locust pose. Take your arms behind your back. Inhale, lift your upper body and your lower body. Stretch your arms back and up. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Release your arms. From here, we shall go for Dhanurasana. Bend your legs and catch hold of your ankles with your hands. Forehead is on the ground. Now with an inhalation, lift your upper body and your lower body. Kick your feet towards the ceiling. Knees are off the ground. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Release your hands and your feet. Slowly with the help of your hands, lift yourself up and come back to mountain. From here, we shall go for Patit Tara Asana, fallen star pose. Now step your left foot closer to your right palm. Place the edge of the left foot on the floor. Pivot your right foot and firmly place it on the floor. Now with control, lift your right palm off the floor and stretch your right arm up. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Bring your palm to the floor. Step your right foot back to mountain. Repeat on other side. Step your right foot closer to your left palm. Place the edge of the right foot on the floor. Pivot your left foot and firmly place it on the floor. Now with control, lift your left palm off the floor and stretch your left arm up. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bring your palm to the floor. Step your right foot back to mountain. Drop your knees on the floor and sit back in child's pose. Stretch your arms forward, release any tensions from the lower back. Slowly sit up in Vajrasana and then stretch your legs forward. From here, we shall go for Nauka Asana. Slowly roll back and lie on your back on the floor. Feet are together, arms alongside the body. Now with an inhalation, lift your upper body and your lower body, arms stretched towards the feet. Nauka Asana, hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, lie back on the floor. Inhale, lift up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, lie back. Last time, inhale, lift up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, lie back. From here, we shall go for Dvipad Uttan Padasana. Feet are together, arms alongside the body, palms on the floor. With an inhalation, lift both the legs straight up to 90 degrees. Exhale, straight down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, inhale. Exhale. Relax in Shavasana. Legs are apart, hands away from the body, palms facing the ceiling, eyes are closed. Take few deep breaths and completely relax yourself. Slowly bend your knees, turn towards your right side and come to a seated position. We shall begin with meditation for Manipura Chakra, also called the solar plexus chakra. In this meditation, we will be chanting Rang, Bij Mantra. Chanting Rang sound balances your solar plexus chakra, which is the sun center in the body. When balanced, we feel confident, motivated, purposeful, and responsible. You can sit in Vajrasana, or you can be seated in a cross-legged position. You can also sit on a chair. Keep your back straight, palms on the thighs, hands in Dhyana Mudra, tip of the index finger and thumb are touching each other, other fingers are stretched. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale completely. Take another deep breath in and exhale. As you're breathing in, cool air is entering your nostrils. And as you're breathing out, warm air is leaving your nostrils. Observe the flow of breath at your own pace. Now shift your awareness to your abdominal region. As you're breathing in, bulge out your abdomen. And as you're exhaling, relax your abdomen. Inhale, bulge out your abdomen. Exhale, relax your abdomen. Continue at your own pace. Take a deep breath in and exhale completely. Slowly shift your awareness to your spinal region behind your upper abdominal region and prepare yourself for chanting Rang sound. You will inhale deeply and chant Rang on your exhalation. Rang. Let's chant 11 rounds at your own pace. Rang. 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 Stop the chanting and observe the resonance of the chant in your entire body. Observe the changes in your body, breath, and mind. From the depth of these changes, mentally repeat after me. I can do everything that I desire. I make my own decisions with confidence and conviction. I am motivated to pursue my true purpose. Everything I need, I have within. I have a lot to offer to the world. Slowly take a deep inhalation and exhale completely. We shall close the session with 1 Om and 3 Shantis. Bring your palms together. Inhale. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms, generate some heat and place them on your eyes and facial muscles. Rub your palms together again, generate some heat and place them on your entire body. And with a few blinks and a beautiful smile, look into your palms. Namaste.